Today we are going to go over some more perimeter and area questions. So this is a different type of question where they give you the length of one side and then the area, and then they ask what is the perimeter. Okay, so let's figure these out. So first of all, I just want to mention that it doesn't matter if they give you the length or the width and then the area, because it's going to be the same exact thing each time. So basically, area equals length times width, and that also means that it equals width times length, right? So that means that it doesn't really matter which one they give you, right? If they give you either length or width. So, but basically what you're going to do to figure out the dimensions of this, you have to figure out the width for the perimeter, right? And if they gave you, if it has a length of 6 and the area is 36, that means since area equals length times width, then since we're looking for width, it would equal area divided by length. And if we were looking for length, it would, and they gave us area and width, it would be area divided by width. Okay, so so basically width equals area divided by length, length equals area divided by width. So if they give you one dimension and the area, to find the other dimension, all you have to do is divide. So 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Okay, so now we know that the length equals 6 and the width equals 6. So it is a square. So all we have to do to find the perimeter, when we're finding the perimeter of a square where all the sides are the same, right? You can just multiply one of the sides by 4 because there's 4 equal sides. So 6 times 4, the perimeter equals 24. Okay, because 6 times 4 is 24. So let's see about this one. Rectangle has a length of 7, the area is 35. So length equals 7, area equals 35, and as I said, we're dividing to find the width. So 35 divided by 7 equals 5, right? So the width has to equal 5, and now we're finding the perimeter. So the perimeter of a rectangle, you can draw it out if you would like. So it is 7 and 5, right? So what we can do is we can multiply 7 length plus width times 2. So 7 plus 5 is 12 times 2. So area equals 24. And the reason that works is because 7 and 5 are here, and that's 12. And then we have another group of 7 and 5. You can also just draw it out and then add up all these numbers to find the perimeter. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 7 plus 7 is 14, 10 plus 14 equals 24. So let's go through this one. A rectangle has a length of 8. The area is 48. What is the perimeter? So first we need to find the width. And as I said, it doesn't matter if this said width, right? So if this just said width, we would be doing the exact same thing to find the length, right? Which is just 48 divided by 8, which equals 6. So now we know the dimensions are 8 and 6. It doesn't matter which one you call width, which one you call length, right? Because if I were to draw these two, and I were to say 6 and 8 and 8 and 6, these are the same rectangles, right? Obviously, I didn't draw them to square, or I mean to scale, so they don't look exactly the same, but let's just say they are exactly the same size, and one of them has 8 as the length and 6 as the width, I guess, and one of them has 8 as the width and 6 as the length. So it's just flipping it up, on its side, basically. So now, to find the perimeter, we can do 8 plus 6, which is 14, and then times 2. 14 times 2 equals 28 is the perimeter. So hopefully that showed how to find area and perimeter with these specific type of problems.